Yes, sir. So in this particular demo, we would look at speeding up the aggregate compute, which is entirely development language. So basically, this is probably a TDL code which you use. An aggregate compute has got the sum of various measures, and then there is a pi. So this, if it is done on a desktop or a server, it's very memory intensive. The attached code in Power BI DAX will actually easily handle any group by. So we have added all the business logic and simply done a sum of debit minus credit here, right? And this I will show to you. The alternate way is to summarize it. So this is my table. These are my group by parameters, and these are my sum parameters. Just to show it on the cloud and how exactly it will work out. So I'll just show one of them. So I pick up my my table, and from the ledger view, basically I go down to company name, and I go down to say the group parent, the party name, group parent 2. Then I go down to the ledger primary, the ledger name, and after that I can pick up any of these measures, sales, purchase, and it automatically groups by that. So in this particular way, you can actually get yourself rid of the bottleneck reports which are related with group by, with aggregate compute, and have your reports speeded up. Thank you very much.